In tonight's address, President Trump is expected to highlight the Department of Government Efficiency's work in cutting the federal workforce. Those reductions have resulted in thousands of newly hired workers losing jobs with little or no notice. For tonight's In Depth, Karen Waugh reports that the move has upended the entire lives of many of the workers.
It's a perennial question. How far would you go for your dream job?
I actually worked 7 days a week for a few weeks just to get my foot in the door.
How much would you sacrifice?
How much did the camper cost?
16 grand.
But now, these two women who worked in Arkansas's Ozark National Forest are among at least 1,000 other National Park Service workers terminated in the wave of federal mass firings.
I feel very disrespected.
Leah Safian had 10 days to move and start her job, so she borrowed thousands to buy this camper. She was let go 3 weeks in.
I cycle through being angry, sad, distressed.
National Park Service jobs range from collecting entrance fees to cleaning up trash to search and rescue missions. The National Park Service oversees more than 85 million acres across the U.S., like the Buffalo National River here. It's one of the only places I can go to and just kind of completely forget everything that's going on.
Stacy Ramsey worked here as the only permanent river ranger, saving dozens of hikers and boaters on search and rescue missions.
I'm sure I'll have to eventually.
This job is more than a dream or income for her.
This is the $27,500 Stelara injection.
Every 8 weeks, Stacy has given herself a shot worth almost her yearly salary, all to manage her Crohn's disease. With health insurance, it was $5, but now her health care expires in less than 30 days. And without the shot, she could end up in the hospital.
These thousands of employees terminated are all real people. They're all people who have families, who have mortgages, utility bills, bills to pay.
For both women, finding a job with benefits is harder because they moved to the remote Ozarks.
I'm not going to, live my life at the end of a string. I have to come up with another plan to make this work.
They're left wondering if their sacrifices paid off.
That's all my uniforms, keeping them just in case. Hopefully I'll get it back into the Park Service eventually.
A dream job, now gone, that even the beauty of the national parks can overshadow. Karen Waugh, CBS News, the Ozarks of Arkansas.